Hello, it's your girl Justine, also known as Just Sold Out, back here today with another unboxing. I love when I got a good Jordan woman exclusive. For anyone who didn't know, the Jordan 3 is by far my favorite sneaker. It's the sneaker I started the entire game with, and it's the sneaker that still holds a very special place in my heart. The Jordan 3 was really my entry sneaker into the entire game, so that's the general main reason why it's one of my favorite shoes all time. You can also dress them up, you could dress them down. I love how they look. They're like a mid top. Anyways, today we have a Jordan 3 special colorway. It's special to me because I just love the nostalgic vibes it brings back. So today we have the Jordan 3 Neapolitan. It retailed for $200 and released officially on May 14th. I unfortunately took an L, but luckily my friend Chris put in my size on the sneaker app and he won the raffle. Shout out to Air Force Wong. So yeah, let's get started. We have an all white box. Comes with some gold foil logo, as well as a nice little 23 on the side, the classic Jordan signature number. On the opposite side, you get another gold foil Jordan logo. And then on the longer sides of the box, there's absolutely no branding, there's nothing there. For Jordan Woman exclusive, I love the minimalism of the packaging. I went true to size and stayed with my 7 woman. This only came in women's sizing, so unfortunately men with larger feet took an L. Maybe now you know how women feel when your shoes don't come in our size. And don't get me started on grade school sneakers. So the sneaker on the box actually is classified as the dark mocha. So I think some people call this Jordan 3 the dark mocha. Totally fair, but it's also definitely being known as the Neapolitan. And you'll see why in a few seconds. Let's open this baby up. Got classic Jordan tissue paper with the 23 number all over. So here we have the Jordan 3 Neapolitan. Let's go into the details about this shoe. Although the sneaker has no actual storytelling, it does give you the nostalgic feeling just because of the colorway and any pastime favorite, any pastime treats with the Neapolitan ice cream. While the leather isn't premium, it is high quality. You do have panels of mostly smooth leather, and then you also have little bits that are slightly tumbled as well. Surrounding the tongue as well as the back collar, you have some perforated leather just to give some extra air into the shoe. The tongue features perforated white leather, and while the inside of the collar is white, the tongue on the inside is light pink. Loving these small, tiny pink eyelets. Really cute, and I feel like it really brings all the colors into the shoe with a nice little added touch. I do think these little eyelets on the side are slightly blue. They have a little blue tint that definitely you can see is slightly different from the white leather. You have a beautiful Jordan logo embroidered on the tongue in baby pink. Always love seeing the Jordan symbol in different colors, especially with embroidery. You can definitely tell that this Jordan 3 has been updated because the padding is not as thick and plush as what we would have seen in the past. It's a nice little modern update. I mean, I feel like it's still gonna be just as comfortable. For the elephant print, it does come in this brown dark mocha color. You can see a little bit of the air sole, which is always great to have. The midsole is painted baby pink in the back, and then you have this nice vanilla midsole painted as well. On the outsole, you really get all of the Neapolitan colors, as well as a nice little cherry on top with the way that Jordan colored its Jordan logo with red. I think that was a nice little added detail that should not be missed. On the back heel, you'll see your classic Jordan logo with the air underneath it, and then of course a little heel tab. The sneaker didn't come with any extra laces, which is slightly disappointing because I really do feel like some baby pink, as well as maybe a dark brown, like the mocha color. Those color laces might look really nice. who knows, maybe we'll play around and get some Jordan 3 laces. Jordan 3s come with the classic hang tag, and this one is no different. Loving the baby pink that this comes in. It is so cute. Definitely worthy of hanging on your car. You don't want to actually wear this with your shoe. It's just really bulky. It swings around. It's not ideal. This little keychain is the perfect little thing to hang in your car. You're not supposed to wear the keychain with the shoe. It really flops around multiple ways. It just becomes a big hassle. It's not like the off-white hang tag. This one actually is quite annoying, and you'll kind of like mess up your shoes just because it'll be clacking and banging against them. So be sure to remove that. So like I said, these sneakers are direct from Nike, and unfortunately what I found was on the right medial side of the shoe, there is a massive glue stain, which often happens during production, and usually it's able to be caught and taken away or redone during the QC process, but for some reason, this one made it through. So I might have been able to overlook that. But in addition, the shoe came up with kind of a little bit of a beat midsole. Right where they glue the midsole and the outsole, you could just tell that there was maybe a little bit of damage on this one specifically. Very unfortunate, and I did go ahead and contact Nike service. Unfortunately, because the sneaker is completely sold out, there was nothing they could do other than refund me and ask me to send the shoes back to them. Not the resolution I was hoping for, but I love these sneakers so much, so we'll be holding on to them. Stay tuned for some on-foot footage. Let me know in the comments below if you think this sneaker reminds you of the classic Neapolitan ice cream. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more unboxings, and I'll see you guys in the next one.